Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how to enable password aging. Another job function of an administrator is to be able to put some controls on user passwords. This is what we're going to be talking about in this video. But before we go on further, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss out whenever I upload a new content. Okay, so like I said earlier, as an administrator, you need to put some controls on user password. Now, if you found yourself in an organization where after a certain period of time, you need to change your password because your system will keep prompting, and notifying you that your password is about to expire, and then after a certain period of time, if you don't change your password, you might be locked out of your system. So as an administrator, this is part of the things you need to do. So how do you do that in Linux? Well, let me start by opening a new terminal. And then, of course, I'm logged in as myself, T Godgift. So usually when you want to perform administrative tasks, administrative functions, you cannot do it with a regular user account. You must use the root account. So first things first, I'm going to switch the user to root and then type the root password. Okay, so I am now root. Now, there's a way to go about this. First, you could either modify this for every user you create, or you can just automate the process. To automate the process means that you have to edit a particular file. Now, when you edit this file, it becomes automatic. Each user you create after then automatically inherits this feature, okay? And the person automatically inherits the profile you've set. So what's this file to be edited? Very simple. The /etc/login.devs file. The devs stands for default. So remember, we had talked about the VI editor and I said we're going to be using it often. So one way to edit that file is to type the VI command /etc/login.defs and then enter. So if you look at the file, you will see password aging controls. Okay, let me hit the I so we get into the insert mode, and then I'll use my down arrow key to come down here so you see for yourself what this looks like. Okay, now if you look at the description, we have what is known as pass_marks_days, okay, which is where my cursor is blinking currently. Now what this means is the total number of days, the maximum number of days a password is valid for. You can see from the description, maximum number of days a password may be used. By default is set to 99,999 days. Okay, so this is more or less like infinity. So we have to edit this. So for this, I'll edit it to 60 days. And then for the pass_main_days, okay, it means the minimum number of days allowed between password changes. That's after your password expires, the grace period you have to change your password before you are locked out of the system. By default is set to 0. So I want to change this to let's say 5 days. Okay, so after your password expires, if you don't change it after 5 days, the system locks you out. And then the next one is the pass_min_length. That's the password minimum length. So this is actually the minimum acceptable password length. By default is set to 5. I want to make it 8. So if your password is not up to 8 characters, you will not be able to set such password. So I'll edit this to 8. And then the next one is the pass_1_age. Okay, it means the number of days warning is given before a password expires. So when it gets to, let's say, if I set it to 7, which is the default, okay, once it's about 7 days to the expiration of your password, it starts prompting you, it starts giving you a notification each time you log in that your password is about to expire. Okay, so I'll leave it at default 7. And then to exit out of the insert mode, I'll hit the escape key as usual. Escape. And then I'll do shift plus column and then type WQ and then the exclamation mark to save, and I'm out of this file. So going forward, any user I create will inherit those properties, and going forward, the user will have to be prompted when it's time for that user to change their password. So I hope this video was interesting to you. If it was, kindly hit the like button and share it widely, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon. That way you stay updated whenever I upload a new video, you don't get to miss out. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye for now.